Finding things to do in a dead end like Middlesbrough can be tough. With crazy golf being up in Seed and Carew, clay pigeon shooting being down in Thirsk, and the only decent amusement park being all the way over in fucking South Shields, you may find yourself bored senseless stranded in this arty chemical plant of a town. But fear not, I, Ilse, have come to rescue you from a boring life of drinking yourself to death playing solitaire in your bedroom. Yes. I have no idea how to play this. Ilse presents Things to Do in Middlesbrough. Now this episode will be a quick rundown of everything interesting, before we go into greater detail in later episodes. So let's start off with what Middlesbrough has for the spotty types. On Longlands Road, we have rock antics, for any of you crazies that like climbing high things for fun. On Ormsby Road, over in Berwick Hills, we have the Neptune Leisure Centre, for people who like swimming, but aren't British enough to just go in the sea and ignore the cold. And finally, in Teesside Autodome, within South Tees Motorsports Park, on S Bank Road, is Teesside Karting, for lazy people who want to go fast. Next, for people who want to practice getting out of this smog pit of a town, we have a couple of escape rooms. On 276 Linthorpe Road, we have the Enigma escape rooms. And hidden away inside Dundas Shopping Centre and Indoor Market is Project Escape. If instead you long for the good old days of arcade games, bowling and ice cream floats, I'd recommend going over to Teesside Leisure Park in Thornaby, where you will find Hollywood Bowl. Enjoy wearing the same shoes as total strangers, you weirdo. But if that's too far away, then the alternative is Lane 7, which is hidden in plain sight on Albert Road, although admittedly, it is kind of small in comparison. Last and most definitely least, if you're really that desperate for something to do, nestled firmly on Linthorpe Road, you will find the rotting carcass of Dorman Museum, where the building itself could qualify as an exhibit, alongside that room filled with stuffed birds and eggs. And that's about everything. Yep. Kind of explains why there's so many pubs, doesn't it? Tune in next time when I try going to and reviewing one of these places. If there isn't another fucking lockdown stopping me. There's also Jump 360 Trampoline Park and Splash, but they're both in Stockton on Tees, and I don't think they count as inside Middlesbrough. Fuck it, I'm in gym anyway.